Hi, I'm Firoz Khan, Principal, Malnad Institute of Skill Development Training and Innovative Center, Shivamogga. So today I'm here to explain one new project which is inbuilt by our institute. So as all of you know that every year on June 5th we celebrate International Environmental Day. So during this particular Environmental Day, many individual and many organization will take some initiation in order to preserve the environment, which may be cleaning the city, or which may be doing planting the trees, or it may be in terms of saving the water. So in spite of all these, we also have one problem definition which we thought of doing some solution to regarding to this: gardening in urban cities. So many individual thought of that we should do gardening in our homes or apartments or in elevated structures, but in spite of that they won't get gardening space and improper water supply for that particular gardening of that particular plant. So all these tactics has to be get solved. So in order to do the resolution of this particular gardening, so we built one automation project for that, and that project which is exclusively built by Malnad Institute, and that project how it will work and what is the need of it and how this will be going to preserve the environment and how we can contribute to the society, that we will showcase in right now. So as I told, we did one exclusive model for gardening. So the purpose of this gardening system is that to automate the water supply, which is exclusively gardening in apartment, and not only for apartment, this can be massively adopted to the agriculture land also. So whoever is interested to do the gardening in their apartments or homes, they can adopt this methodology in order to do planting the trees as well as in order to supply the water for automatic way. So this is one basic model which is of showcase model. So we use the materials over here. One is irrigation pipe and one is control system, and we exclusively built one application in order to control the water supply for automatically and manual method also. And apart from that, we also did one alternate for this by inserting the soil moisture sensor also. So this will help the plant in order to analyze the wet condition and dry condition of the soil. Whenever according to the temperature the soil is dry, the water supply will get automatically on, and whenever the plant is absorb the sufficient water for it, so due to the wet condition of that particular soil, the automatically water supply will get off. So how the controller will work for this, we'll see now. So as a part of this project, we incorporated or we installed one controller system. So in this particular box, we customized 6 relay switches, customized controller, as well as we inserted one ESP32 controller system. So according to our needs, we customize the program and the instruction is given, and that is being fetched to ESP32 controller. And we are, as of now, we are only using one relay system in order to control the entire process. So remaining relay control system you can also use to control your home appliances, which may be fans, geyser, mixer, whatever you want to control, you can control it. So as of now, only we are connected to the irrigation system to automate the water flow purpose. So as you can see that we have the submersible motor pump over here in the tank. So we kept it one tank in order to showcase this model, and the supply of water will be directly goes to your particular plant. So you can see here, so water supply is on, and this flow of water also you can control according to your requirement based on the motor what we going to use. So you can see here the supply of water is right now is on, and this process you can also configure in order to make the automation now. So you need to go in configuration parameter. So once you go in configuration, the system will ask for manual or auto mode. So as soon as relay 1 what we are using, we need to put an automation condition, so that we need to enable the auto switch now. So as soon as I give auto, it will ask for timing. So here you can see the schedule timers from and to. So this is the timing from which time you need to on the flow of water supply to your gardening or to the plant, or and at what time you need to close it, or at what time you need to shut down the water supply. So once it is been given, you need to add this timer, and once the timer is been added, so in a control parameter you can see over here, the relay one what we are using is auto scheduled, and scheduled control time which will become according to your time management. So this process is also can be done anywhere by sitting anywhere in the world. So this is very user friendly system. So get confusion with the entire software system. So this is very simple, and the main purpose of this system in order to make the gardening in your urban cities. So whoever is interested to do this kind of gardening in your home or apartment, or directly visit and have a discussion with our institute people. So that is Malnad Institute of Skill Development Training as well as Innovative Center. So this particular system or this particular gardening system, those who are liking it, and if you are need to incorporate in your house or apartment, you can give the order to us, so that according to your requirement we'll make an arrangement and we can show this entire system as a demo, as well as we're going to install in your required space. Thank you.